If you know you'll already get the fuck on, I really hate to chase you. Yeah, my favorite place to chase. Yeah, that mean the fucking.
Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Trey Hunt in the cut, man. Nigga just pulled up to this motherfucking
down.
What this is? I think this the motherfucking mod meet. The mod 10K meet, man. We gonna start this shit off. I'ma manifest it right now. Niggas finna be sliding, doing some donuts, burnouts, and some more shit. We here for all the action. I ain't trying to see nobody standing still, nobody doing it revving, nigga. We trying to see some sliding on, bro. But let's get right to it. That bitch starting to get busting, and these whole ass lame ass niggas 12 and just pulled up. I think folks that's going to meet over there talking to us probably telling us that like niggas got this shit. They able to do this shit legally. I have a permit to be here. Oh, bro, yeah. He finna nah, y'all ain't got a permit to be doing all this loud shit. Fuck on. But if they let niggas keep throwing this shit, man, I'ma get back with y'all boys after this bitch ass nigga leave the spot. Update for y'all boy, man. So some niggas said that GSP was finna come to the damn meet. I wasn't finna wait around to find out, man. I ain't gonna lie. Niggas said GSP and I got fuck on. So niggas then pulled up to the motherfucking Tesco, man. We got 485 bitch right here. Niggas just pulled up right here, you feel. We got Kizo just spying in, you feel me, with the Mero, motherfucker. But yeah, right now niggas are kind of low on gas anyway, so niggas just stopped that down. What this is? Look like down Tesco. Stopped down Tesco, got some gas, got some little snacks from the G station real quick. Shit, I'm gonna hit y'all when we go to the next low, man. If they send another low to that bitch and we following the low, I'm not trying to end the night without seeing somebody doing some type of donuts, burnout, something, my nigga. They celebrating 10K. I need to see something. I need to see something.
I should have known. Who drives this green BMW right here? Me and That's you?
No, my car over there. He in this car right now.
Oh, he inside?
Yeah, I don't know, dude.
What Eminem? What he driving right here?
She's talking about Eminem. What Eminem?
You driving that truck? Shit, you like you about 10. Let me see your ID. How old you was in?
Show your ID.
He like he about 9. He driving a fucking hellcat. Let me see.
It's right here.
Let auntie see.
Let auntie see ID, man. What you want?
You want to drive this hellcat?
Yeah.
You lying to me.
No, that's the SXT edition.
Yeah.
I don't know. I just got this. I got the family folk silver right here. That's what I got right here.
Now this hard too.
Auntie, that's what I got right here.
We might have to add this to the group, auntie. we need one of them in the group. No cap.
So what you driving right here with the first pants on? What you driving right here?
It's a Chrysler 300. Yeah. What you think? What you think of it? You like it?
Oh, hell yeah.
Take a look on the inside. You can see the stars in the roof.
I ain't finna stick my head in there and you push me in there. Right off and try to rob me. This motherfucker got some goddamn solar lights and chandelier lights in this goddamn car.
You saying chandelier lights in that motherfucker?
Yeah, he got some chandelier lights, man. You hear me? Hello?
Look at that chandelier. Good time, nigga. Don't try me. Don't try me.
470 Customs, man. You see it? Hey,
Auntie approved, nigga. You know this shit stamp. You hear me? If y'all want to see Auntie add to the car group, like, comment, subscribe, man. We need that motherfucking Toyota. She talking about where your mama is.
That's your who? Who your nigga? This your man in the purple. Oh, it's fine. Okay.
We just pulled up. Bitch,
I'm on that trading fuck.
We just pulled up. These whole ass niggas out.
I'm sorry, is this a car meet or something?
Yeah. We pull up and these niggas already shut this shit down, man. What the fuck? By that time again, man. Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Trey Hunter in the cut, man. If y'all ain't seen it already, Car Meets was hosting a motherfucking Mopar Meet. I couldn't even bring my damn Mopar in the lot, twin. I'm talking about, it's 2 lines to this bitch. This the first line on this side. Oh, is that them boys? Oh, hell. 2 lines, 1 line over here. You see this bitch overly packed, twin. It's another line on the other side. I think it's over here though. We might well cross, I ain't gonna lie. It's another line over, way over there on that side. Where that other line, overpacked, gang. I'm talking about overly, but we parked in the motherfucking Jiffy Lube. We parked in the motherfucking Jiffy Lube though, cause we already knew what time niggas was finna be on. So yeah, we parked at the Jiffy Lube's, twin, but them boys are here, fuck. I hope it's a legal meet though, so we should be smooth. But them boys are here. But yeah, man, hopefully we go ahead and get a lit car meet video for y'all. Mopar Meet. If y'all see some shit that's not Mopar, don't say nothing crazy. It's just a big ass meet in general, twin. But we finna pull up, see what this shit hitting on, man. See what this shit talking about. I'll get back with y'all boys once we get into the action. I don't know if niggas really gonna be on bullshit no more cause them boys here, but damn, folks. Look at the lot in this. Lot in this bitch, crazy. I'm gonna hit up Mirror, see where Mirror ass at. We can walk around this bitch and see if we fuck around bumping to us at. But yeah, twin, y'all see how this shit looking, man. Niggas trying to get some good content out there, bitch, you hear me? Come on, man, he finna hit a nigga and shit. Yo, what's going on, my boy? What's the word with you, my boy?
Deep as hell.
Overly deep, nigga. I had to park at the damn Jiffy Lube's, man. Wasn't no parking in there, bitch.
Orange King's about to be here too.
For real, he finna pull up?
Yeah, you're like 9 people. Quan, Orange King.
They all finna pull up to this
We
bitch?
don't know if it's Quan, but...
Damn, they said Quan finna pull up to this bitch?
Hold on.
Quan?
Quan.
Jeez. Orange King and Quan. Now, they bitch finna be overpacked. 12 over there, I don't think they're really on the bullshit, but they definitely just...
They at the entrance. They're at the entrance. No, Orange King and all of them are stuck.
Are they stuck in the line? That's why I ain't go through that. I went around to park over there, bro. You know where Mir at? Bet.
He's with, what's his name?
Kizo?
I don't know, he said he's bringing 9 people, so it's probably Quan.
Shit, well, I'm gonna get out with y'all, boy, once we get into some motherfucking action, man. Let y'all know what this shit hitting on. I ain't even give y'all a drip check. I'm gonna give y'all a drip check later on, but just know, nigga having that shit on per usual, 25-8. Got my white boy Ty with me, man. Say what up to the camera, man.
To the channel, man.
Yeah, you hear that, man? That boy got a supercharged Audi. Oh my gosh. Supercharged Audi. Oh my gosh. That big old stupid.
Fuck on YouTube.
Yo, Nayland back in there, man. Boy, Nayland, what's the word, twin? Hey, everybody, that bitch, I ain't gonna count. Nigga just pulled up, twin. Y'all see that bitch overly packed. But they saying niggas finna have to leave that bitch at 10. Your boy just got here again. What the fuck? They talking about okay, Q finna pull up. They bogus as hell. But they saying it's a new low at a church. It's a new low at a church, like I think like 5 minutes away on some shit. It's a new low at a church, so we finna pull up to the new low, and then shit. Hopefully that shit busting. Really, if they try to shut that bit down, we gonna tell them, yeah, we having a little Bible study, twin. We trying to get closer to God. Y'all can't shut down God. You hear me? But we finna see though. I'ma hit y'all when we get to this next meet or some shit get the busting on, man. I'ma come back to the camp. That boy Zoot just pulled up. Oh, this shit tough. Nigga pulled up with the Billy Bentayga on the I thought this was a Mopar meet. Nigga pulled up Billy Bentayga on the Everything meet. You hear me? They go, what it be? Oh, good frostbite blue scat. Look, what's that, M3 info? M3 info right here, that bitch smooth. Another cat right here, I'm like, oh, this bitch go crazy, man. Hey, nah, that bitch is tough, I ain't gonna lie. It's hella, damn! Who cat is that? What the fuck is this? That's what I'm saying. I think I seen him at the beat before.
Yes, bro.
Right here.
I was like, damn.
Where we at with it?
Hey, now I want to hear.
But yeah, 12 shut it bit down. They still out, they be going crazy, twin. Cat loud as fuck. Out of here, this bitch. to this bitch. Niggas really finna get this bitch bustin'. 12 say it's time to go. They in this bitch and motherfucking down there every entrance, twin, you hear me? Like I said, we finna go to the next low. Hopefully this next low busting game. I'm trying to get some content for y'all. But 12 don't want me to get no content, gang, I'm telling you. D-boy don't want me to get no content for y'all, man, but they not stopping no motion. Shit still going on. So we finna slide to the next low, and I'm gonna get back with y'all as soon as we pull up. Yo, nigga just pulled up to the next meet, man. Why as soon as we pulling up, twin, it's a nigga get in the middle of the pit and start, hold on, focus now, bitch. It's a nigga get in the middle of the park and start sliding right before we get here, twin. Wherever that nigga at, bring your ass back in the pit, twin. We trying to see some action. I'm trying to get some action for y'all, gang. I'm trying to get some action for y'all, boys, so y'all can see the shit they're going. Like I said though, I ain't gonna lie, I might rage bait some niggas to get in the pit and start sliding just so I can get some content for y'all niggas, man. I gotta get it. Y'all see 45 mirror bitch ass posted up on the top of his whip right now, bro. Bitch ass. But we finna see what's going, man. I'm gonna get back with y'all once niggas get the slide. I'm telling you, I got the cam on standby, gang. What he doing? He not getting active. He bullshit, he not finna cut up. But if somebody get in the pit, I'm telling you, I got the cam on standby, gang. I'm ready. We might, hey, we got action. We got action, my man. Wait for y'all ass. He finna start sliding, I ain't gonna lie.
Standing on
Yo,
that shit.
he hit bitch ass, man.
He left the chat like that.
You gonna do the burnout and leave the chat twin? You gotta spin it after that.
The chat.
Niggas just let buku smoke out this bitch. You gotta spin it on, bro. Hey, session killer in his natural habitat, man.
You gonna pop shove, cause I ain't gonna want my kickflip to OD, bro.
All right, let's do it. My boy gonna give me a pop shove it, then we go kickflip. Oh, come on, twin.
Hey, he better than me.
Hey, let me see an ollie at least, nigga.
All right, for sure.
Go ollie, then go kickflip right after the ollie, twin. You got it. Come on. If you don't get the kickflip, you a bitch.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
I thought he was gonna do something under pressure. What can I say? Hey, now you better than me.
Hey, bro, you black. You with us, you a nigga, bro. Don't do that shit. What is wrong with you?
I just say he from Alabama, dog. He speak my language.
Niggas finna get right in the glove, man. Who y'all taking? Y'all taking my boy Chico right here? Y'all taking my boy Tyrone? Who it going? Who y'all got? Y'all got your money on Canelo or Crawford? What we doing?
I said,
Who we doing?
taking all bets.
Hey, who?
I'm taking all bets.
Yeah, Canelo or Crawford? Who y'all got? I got the under on 37 punches landed.
Yeah, niggas say player props.
Bro. If you scared to get a glove, then just say that. If you scared to get a glove, just say that. Conor McGregor, what we doing? Tight shit.
You should box. I want to see you.
Kizo, what going? You said you put a nigga down.
I'm waiting for the nigga 12 was posted. I'm not going.
I don't got no beef. We good. I don't got no beef, bro. We good.
You ain't gotta have no beef to put the bitches on, though, huh?
It's a spar, man.
What about y'all box?
I got some drink in my system. I'm cool. If a nigga knock me out the drink, I'm clearing the scene. What you talking about? G19 is getting up. No doubt.
Nigga said.
Alright, y'all, that's the end of the video. I know I got a whole different fit on, but I took that vid a long ass time ago. This is a whole new day. I'm finna go to a whole new meet, twin, have a whole new vid loading for y'all boys. Alright, it's a whole nother car meet game. But if you fuck with the vid, like, comment, and most importantly subscribe. We at 176 subs right now. We on this road to 1K. Y'all might think it's far away, but it ain't that far away. Just keep subbing, nigga, and we'll get there pretty quick, twin. But till next time, try it out. Love.